I started off at 211 pounds and I ended at 185. So I lost almost 26 pounds in a 6-week challenge.
I started at 215 pounds. I ended at 189 and I lost 25 pounds in 6 weeks. Like nothing was working. And for me to jump in and do it and right away, like see results, like it was easy to keep going because the scale kept going down every day.
So very proud of myself. I lost 26 pounds in 6 weeks. I've never lost that much weight so fast.
And I've lost 27 pounds in 6 weeks. I say it came on slow and it did, and it didn't go off slow, which is great.
Usually it's the opposite. That's awesome. I really didn't think I'd be able to do it. I thought I'd, maybe lose like 10 or 12 or something. So 27 pounds is pretty incredible.
So 26 pounds in 6 weeks. I just was struggling, and this is the first time that something's finally working. I tried a lot of things.
I lost 28 pounds in 6 weeks.
That's crazy.
I don't have the words, and I felt great the whole time.
I lost 26 pounds in 6 weeks.
Did you expect to lose 26 pounds?
I didn't.
I lost 26 pounds in 6 weeks.
Losing 25 pounds in 6 weeks.
Lost the 30 pounds. Now I'm 30 pounds lighter and going into summer. So I'm so excited to see what I do this summer compared to last summer where I was hiding inside.
Well, I've tried, I'm obviously keto, Weight Watchers, pretty much everything. I just didn't like myself. I knew I was way overweight. I seen some pictures and it's like, oh gosh, that's horrible. I could see the clothes obviously getting tighter. A lot of clothes I really like were not fitting anymore.
I've done calorie counting and macros, and I've done different programs like the Whole30 and paleo and things like that. But the weight always came back.
I've been dieting since I was probably 19. I did Atkins, I've done keto and everything in between. I would see myself in the mirror and I'm like, who is that? Or see myself in a picture and not even realize that that's how big I looked.
I would just try for a day or two and not have the strength to continue because I was afraid I was going to fail.
When I saw your challenge, I thought, hey, I got nothing to lose. Let's try it. And I thought, you know what? If these gals can do it, so can I.
I feel lighter. People are noticing. I feel more comfortable in my own skin. I'm not constantly just thinking, what's my next meal? What am I going to eat next?
I actually made some of the dinners and the meal plans for my family. And they were just ecstatic. They're like, oh my God, we could never imagine that you could lose weight and the food was so amazing.
My jeans are getting loose again, which is awesome. And my neighbor came over the other day and she's like, oh, you lost a lot of weight in your face.
I did everything that I was supposed to do and it worked. I feel like I'm living proof that your method works.
I am perimenopausal and I have been following so many people on Instagram and stuff. And I feel like there's so many buzzwords out there. And the reason I really like this program is because it was cut and dry. It was not difficult. And the food choices were super easy, especially with a family.
I genuinely feel like I can do this now. And I feel like I can continue to do it.
I'm so blessed that I found you guys and that it worked.
I'm Jeanette.
I am Cassandra.
I'm Kendra.
I am Ramona.
I'm Maureen.
I'm Valerie.
I'm Sylvie.
I'm Melissa.
I'm Susan.
My name is Becky and I'm in my trim era.
My name's Amanda and I'm in my trim era.